Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel Smooth English Talks. Today, I am going to share something very important with you. It is about how to learn English speaking easily. I know many of you want to speak English fluently, but sometimes you feel shy, nervous, or confused. You start a sentence, then stop in the middle. You know words in your mind, but they don't come out when you try to speak. Don't worry, my friends. This is very common. Today, I will guide you step by step in a very simple way so that you can learn English speaking easily. Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step is not grammar, not vocabulary, not even practice. The first step is mindset. You have to believe that you can speak English. English is not only for special people. It is just a language, like your mother tongue. If a small child can learn English by listening and repeating, then you can also do it. So, from today, remove the fear. Don't think my English is bad. Instead say, I am learning. I'm improving every day. A positive mindset will make your journey easier. Step 2. Listen more. Before speaking, you need to listen. Think about how a baby learns to speak. First, the baby listens to the parents again and again. After many months, the baby tries to copy words. Slowly, the baby speaks full sentences. The same method works for you. Listen to English every day. It can be YouTube videos, English movies, podcasts, or songs. At first, you may not understand everything. That is okay. Just keep listening. Your brain will slowly catch the rhythm, the accent, and the common phrases. Step 3. Speak daily, even small sentences. Now, speaking is very important. But remember, you don't have to speak perfect English from the beginning. Start small. Use easy daily sentences like, I am hungry. I am going to the market. This is my book. I like coffee. Practice these sentences every day. Speak them aloud, even if you are alone. Don't wait for someone else. Your best speaking partner is you. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. This method is called mirror practice. It helps you become confident and you will stop feeling shy.
Step 4. Learn phrases, not only words. Many learners try to memorize long lists of words. But when they speak, they forget the words. The better way is to learn phrases. For example, instead of only learning the word time, learn the phrase, what time is it? Take your time. It's time to go. When you learn phrases, you can use them directly in real conversations. It will save you from translating word by word, and your English will sound natural. Step 5. Practice with real people. If possible, talk with real people in English. It can be your friends, classmates, or colleagues. If they don't know English, no problem. You can join online speaking clubs, English groups, or apps where people practice together. Even if you speak broken English, don't stop. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from only studying books. Step 6. Don't fear mistakes. One of the biggest problems for learners is fear of mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? People will laugh. My friends, this is the biggest enemy of learning. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your best teachers. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. So, instead of being afraid, be happy when you make a mistake. It means you are trying, and trying is the only way to improve. Step 7. Read and write. To speak better, you also need to read and write. Read simple English books, short stories, or articles. Reading gives you new words and sentence structures. Also, try to write a small diary every day. Write 5 to 10 sentences about your day. For example, today I woke up early, I had breakfast, I went to school, I learned new things, I came home and practiced English. When you write, you organize your thoughts. When you read, you collect ideas. And when you speak, you use both.
Step 8. Think in English. Another important step is to think in English. Most learners make a mistake. They think in their own language, then translate into English. This takes time and makes them slow. Instead, practice thinking directly in English. For example, when you see a tree, don't think in your language. Immediately think, this is a tree. When you're walking, think, I am walking on the road. At first, it feels strange, but slowly your mind will get used to it, and you will speak faster and more fluently. Step 9. Be consistent. The most powerful secret is consistency. You cannot learn English in one day or 1 week, but if you practice every day, even for 15 to 20 minutes, you will improve. It is like exercise. If you exercise daily, your body becomes strong. If you practice English daily, your speaking becomes strong. So make a daily routine, morning or evening, anytime you like. Just give a few minutes to listening, speaking, reading, and writing. After 3 months, you will see big progress. After 6 months, you will surprise yourself. Step 10. Enjoy the process. Finally, don't make English learning boring. Make it fun. Watch English movies, sing English songs, play games in English, follow English pages on social media, talk about your hobbies in English. When you enjoy the process, you don't feel pressure. And when you're happy, you learn faster. Conclusion. So, my dear friends, learning English speaking is not difficult. You just need the right steps. Change your mindset. Listen more. Speak daily. Learn phrases, not only words. Practice with real people. Don't fear mistakes. Read and write. Think in English. Be consistent. Enjoy the process. If you follow these 10 steps every day, you will speak English easily and confidently. Remember, English is not just a subject, it is a skill. And every skill becomes easy with practice. So start today, speak today, practice today, and one day you will say proudly, yes, I can speak English fluently. Thank you for watching this video on Smooth English Talks. If you found it helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.